Let me tell you, you know you hired the right painter, a true professional painter, when you see your painter using a rag. That's correct. I know it might be counterintuitive to catch them on the floor cleaning up or wiping or doing whatever they're doing. There's a lot of people out there that'll say, oh, professional painters, no, I don't agree with you, Paul. Professional painters don't use rags. They don't ever drip. The truth is that professional painters are just like chefs. And if you ever see a professional chef in a professional kitchen, you'll know that they always have a rag nearby. And they do this because they got experience. They know that they're imperfect and that they're human beings. They understand the law of gravity, and they understand that it keeps them clean. Professional painters always carry rags. Those painters that say you should never, or you don't need rags, take a look at them. They don't even know most of the time if they're covered in paint. They are the actual rag. No, really, professional painters always carry rags. They do it to prevent accidents, they do it to clean up accidents, and they also do it because they know that it's usually easier to clean paint when it's wet than when it's dry. If you actually look at a professional painter wearing white pants, you will see clearly that they've got these loops around the leg by their side pockets. Well, those loops are designed to carry the rag. Professional painters do use rags all the time. If you see your painter and they're cleaning and they're using rags, you know you've hired the right professional painter for the job. My name is Paul. I'm from Trusted House Painter. If you need help finding true trusted professional painters in your area, just go to trustedhousepainter.com.